Feeding time!
You know, TK, even though you've moved the kingdom, there's still some great stuff down there. Like this dish, perfect for beans. What else beans go great with? Sausages, like the ones you and I discussed earlier, Camera. Now, when making baked beans, you need your beans, which we've got. I also got some veggies out of the pantry to spice it up. I've got this onion, red pepper, some bacon. You need one more thing, molasses. Now molasses, we don't got any, but I'm pretty sure I saved some syrup from the pancakes, and that will do nicely. Right here. There it is. And we need one last thing. Nah. This one's already open. Let's get going. Just gonna leave. First, you got to open the beans. How are you supposed to open these? Nice. Now you're gonna want to rinse these before you put them in the thing. Now that the beans are washed, you add them to your thing. Now, I've already cut the bacon and the peppers. That's self-evident. Now, I'm going to show you a really special technique for the onion once you've got it peeled and halved. I learned this during the Turkish invasion of Wallachia. All right. Now the next step is to mix it all together. Oh, it's so messy. This is much more efficient. I should remember the lessons of Manfred. We'll add the molasses. Oh yeah, it's all coming together. And now we preheat the oven to 12. That was fast. And now we wait. Oh yeah. Now that the beans are almost done, it's time to boil the brats. You're gonna want to take these out of the package. There you go. Easy as that. Alright, so we're gonna boil these in Monster because we put Monster in the beans. If you put molasses in your beans, maybe you'll want to boil it in molasses. Just, you want a little bit of that everything and everything so it all blends together real nice. I think I used 3 cans. Be prepared for that. Now we have the brats. That was pretty close. Oh. I'll get it. Real chefs don't stand next to the food. They don't stand next to the food. Now we're gonna boil these. Normally you would boil it at 12, but this stupid fucking stove only goes to 8. So we're gonna have to stick with 6. Oh God. There you go. 6. Now that they're all bloated, brown, you can take them out of the boiling water. Look at that tumor. Got a nice shot of that, camera. That's what you're looking for. Oh. Water's pretty hot. That one's fine. All right. Now we're off to the grill. It's grill time, baby. Now the grill's nice and hot. It's been in the sun all day. Gonna pop that open. Gonna put these bad boys on there. Ooh, nice sun heat. We're green here at the Friend Mansion. Now you could eat these without putting them on the grill or cooked all the way through, but you'd be a disgusting fucking pig if you did. And we wait again. Grills. So it separates men from beasts. I mean, think that guy uses a grill? No, he doesn't. Monster brats and monster beans. An American classic lunch. Can't you guys smell the food? He's already here. Come get food. TK, come on, man.
Lunchtime, baby. Lunchtime. Woo. Where's my drink?
Don't worry. There's a drink right here.
Yeah. Sweet. Good shit. Hey, dogs don't sit at the table. Down, down, bad boy, down. You know that's not right. Your bowl is right here. There. Now we can enjoy our meal.
I'm so ready. Another great masterpiece.
So good. I have to eat vegetables?
Don't worry. We're special.
I like special.
I've done it again.
Best chef in the world.
Done it again.
That's right.
Yeah.
Hey, don't you complain about your food. Eat.
You fucking eat that, or I'm gonna rip your head off your neck.
Oh God. He'll do it. I've seen him do it. I thought the most genius thing. You put the vegetables on the meat.
It's a good idea.